and welcome to another video. So today I have a TCL Alto TS6 soundbar that I purchased off of Walmart on their Black Friday deal. It was only 30 bucks, normally goes for $69.99. So let's open it up and see what's inside. So it's taped up like this. There's a dent here, so hopefully there's no damage. Seems like the UPS guy dropped it and then taped it up outside before he dropped it off at my door. Okay, seems to be well cushioned here with this styrofoam, so I don't see any damage. The HDMI cable was on top. So it does come with an HDMI cable and something else, probably the power cable. It comes with a, standard power cable. Here's the instruction manual. More stuff in here, seems like a remote control and some batteries. It seems to be a mount. Yep, mount for the back of the TV or the wall if you want. So there's remote control with two AAA batteries. I'm gonna throw those in just to see how it works with the soundbar. There's also this bag of screws for the mount. We're gonna throw these batteries in here, have it ready to go once we turn on the soundbar. All right, there's some instruction manuals. We're gonna leave them in the bag. I don't need that for now. There's tape everywhere. That's my least favorite part of packaging. I don't know why they tape everything up, especially since it's such a big bag that it can be easily covered without tape. All right, so this is a soundbar. It's sleek looking. I like how it looks. It's got rubber grips in the bottom to, put on your TV stand or whatever without making any marks. On the port side of things, there's a USB port in the back. There is a HDMI ARC, and then an optical, as well as a regular auxiliary input, as well as the power source in the back. There is a nice cutout in the speaker so that your cables can come out even when the soundbar is laying flat, so you don't have to, try to use something for cable management. It's already built into this, which is nice. On the top here, there's these touch buttons, the power button, there's the input or source change button, the Bluetooth button, and sound up and down. Okay, let me connect it to a device and show you how it works. All right, so I have it connected to the power source here. There's a red light on the front that shows that it's turned off. Some people might find that distracting. I'm not sure if that'll go away once it's connected to a source, but we'll leave that on. I'm gonna hit the power button. All right, once you press the power button, there's these blinking lights. I have my Bluetooth search on my cell phone. So let's see if it just pops up. I don't see it popping up, so I'm gonna go ahead and hit the Bluetooth button. There we go, you have to press and hold the Bluetooth button. And now TCL Alto 6 pops up, so I'm gonna go ahead and connect. Okay, so connection's pretty easy. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and find some copyright-free music on my phone and then see how it sounds. So I have my cell phone volume to the max, and this is on, let's see. So this is off volume. This is the lowest volume. max volume. Use the remote to pause the music. I can really feel the bass even though there is no subwoofer attached. I can feel the bass to the ground here. It's pretty loud. Okay, so they do sound pretty good. I don't hear a lot of distortion in the music. What I was playing was fairly bass heavy, and the speaker was able to handle it pretty well. So that's it for the TCL Alto T6. There is a version that comes with a subwoofer, but I did not need the subwoofer. Anyways, thank you for watching. Like, subscribe, comment, and I'll see you on the next one.